Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize OAuth for Airtable using GitHub detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your GitHub account. Navigate to the GitHub developer settings. Click on OAuth apps. Select new OAuth app to create a new application. Fill in the required fields such as application name and homepage URL. For the authorization callback URL, enter the Airtable OAuth callback URL. Once completed, click Register Application. Take note of the client ID and client secret generated for your app. Next, log into your Airtable account. In Airtable, go to the API page for your workspace. Locate your API key and copy it for later use. Return to your GitHub OAuth settings. In your GitHub application settings, paste the Airtable API key in the appropriate field. Now, navigate to the OAuth settings in Airtable. Begin the authorization process by clicking on the Authorize button. You will be redirected to GitHub for authentication. Log into GitHub if prompted and review the authorization request. Click Authorize to permit Airtable to access your GitHub account. After authorization, you will be redirected back to Airtable. At this point, verify the integration by checking your Airtable account. To test the connection, try importing data from GitHub into Airtable. Ensure that the data is correctly populated in your Airtable base. You have successfully authorized OAuth for Airtable using GitHub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.